If you've been thinking about starting an online business in 2026, but you feel overwhelmed, unsure of where to begin, or worried about risk, then this video is for you. Print on demand is still one of the simplest, lowest risk ways to start selling online, especially if you're a beginner. And platforms like Etsy make it easier than ever to get your first sales without needing a website, inventory, or a huge budget. In this video, I'm sharing 5 powerful reasons why starting a print-on-demand shop in 2026 is still a smart move, and why now might actually be the best time to start. So let's get into it. One of the biggest reasons print-on-demand is so beginner-friendly is that it's extremely low risk. You don't need to buy any inventory up front, you don't need to rent storage space, and you don't need thousands of dollars just to get started. With print-on-demand, products are only created after a customer places an order. So that means you're not guessing what's going to sell, you're responding to actual real demand. And in 2026, this matters more than ever. People want flexible income streams that don't put them under financial pressure. Print on demand lets you experiment, learn, and grow without risking money you can't afford to lose. You can start with just a few designs, test different ideas, and then scale what works. Double down on what works without the stress of unsold inventory sitting in your home. One of the hardest parts of any business is getting traffic, but when you sell on Etsy, that problem is already partially solved. Etsy has millions of buyers actively searching for gifts, for apparel, wall art, and personalized items every single day. These aren't just browsers, they're people that are ready to buy. In 2026, shoppers are continuing to move towards marketplaces that they trust. Etsy feels familiar, safe, and curated, which makes it easier for new sellers to get visibility without running ads or building an audience first. Instead of trying to convince people to visit your website, you're simply showing up where buyers already are, using keywords, strong visuals, and products that meet real demand. For beginners, this is a massive advantage. You do not need to be a graphic designer to succeed with print on demand in 2026. Tools like Canva and Kittl have completely changed the game. You can create clean, professional-looking designs using templates, fonts, and drag and drop features, even if you've never designed anything before. This means you can focus on ideas and trends, not technical skills. You can test typography-based designs, simple illustrations, quotes, or niche-specific graphics, and improve over time as you learn what sells. In 2026, simplicity often performs better than overly complex designs. Clear messages, strong fonts, and niche relevance matter more than flashy visuals. If you can research, adapt, and stay consistent, you can absolutely compete. One major trend that's continuing into 2026 is the demand for personalized and niche-specific products. People want items that feel meaningful, things that reflect their personality, their interests, humor, or identity. Print on demand is perfect for this. Whether it's niche humor, astrology, professions, hobbies, pets, or just minimal aesthetic designs, there's room for micro brands to thrive. You don't need to appeal to everyone. In fact, the more specific your niche, the better your chances of standing out. This year, buyers are choosing personality over mass production, and Etsy is the perfect platform for that. Another reason to start print on demand in 2026 is that it's extremely scalable. You can start small with just a few listings and gradually expand as you learn. Over time, you might add new products, improve your branding, or even branch into digital products, which is what I did. Many sellers use print on demand as a stepping stone to learn Etsy SEO, to understand buyer psychology, to build confidence selling online. And once you have those skills, they transfer to almost any online business. You're not just building a shop, you're building experience, momentum, and optionality, and that's incredibly powerful. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to start a print-on-demand shop, 2026 is it. The tools are easier, the platforms are established, and the opportunity is still very real, especially for beginners willing to learn and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, subscribe for more Etsy and print-on-demand tutorials, and let me know in the comments. Are you planning to start a shop this year, or have you already started? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.